What's up everybody? Welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bonsai stand with like a pro.
Nee, zo. Ja, lekker bezig. Maken.
So this is not gonna be just a random wooden stand. The goal is to make something stable, straight and elegant enough to display all your bonsai properly. So here you can see the basic structure. We are using treated timber because this table will be outside all the time, so it needs to handle all the rain, sun and humidity. And we're going to place all the tables over here. So we're gonna make it everything leveled and then connect all the tables together so that everything is very stable and strong. The design is simple. We have 4 legs, a clean rectangular top frame and a lower frame for stability. So we already prepared all the legs. As you can see here, I'm making a lot of tables. So these are 5 by 5 wooden pieces that we cut, and the planks are together. I will put all the dimensions here so that you can see yourself. So after all the legs are made and cut together, we are putting the planks on top and below to make it stable. And with the lower frame is very nice that you can put there all your pots and everything underneath. A few tips to make it look more professional. Keep all the screws aligned. As you can see here, we have all the pre-drill in every hole so that the wood wouldn't sharp. We can sand a little bit the edges and the proportions that are very nice, so that the stand will look very beautiful. The table should support the tree visually, but also not overpower it. That's a little bit the goal that we did here. The bonsai should be still the main character, the table. There's no frame, you see only the bonsai standing on it.